Thank you, Madam Speaker. 1B1.
Madam Speaker, even before the electoral campaign and during the campaign, we were warning the nation that the macroeconomic figures were being manipulated by the MSM government and its allies. The implementation of the 14th month bonus will have deep impact on the economy and on public finances because of the disastrous situation we have inherited from the previous government. But never, in our wildest nightmare, did we know the extent that the figures would be falsified. In fact, Madam Speaker, the economic boom that the previous government boasted has been nothing but an electoral gimmick, very, very far from the harsh reality that we have discovered after assuming office. We will therefore have to be extremely prudent to minimize the adverse impact of the 14-month on the economy. As regards the implementation of the 14-month bonus, I will make an announcement once a policy decision is taken by Cabinet on Friday. I will elaborate more on these issues in a statement to the House on the state of the economy this afternoon, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. Yes.
Yes,
Next
thank
question.
you, Madam Speaker. Well, does the Honourable Prime Minister know that the Minister of Labour has given recently in an interview stated that consultations had begun and that he was working closely with the Office of the Attorney General for the preparation of the bill. Will he confirm whether this is in fact the case?
I can confirm that, in fact, he has been working with the Attorney General, and we will have to come with a bill. Not as it was previously announced, it will have to be through a bill.
Yes.
Yes. May we know if the consultations and the preparations that are being made with the Office of the Attorney General, whether it is being envisaged for the payment of the 14th month bonus, whether it's being envisaged to cap the payment to a certain income level, or whether it will be for all employees.
In fact, Madam Speaker, I will make a statement later on the state of the economy, and I'm sure Honourable Member will have a good look at it. This is why I said we'll have to be extremely prudent to minimize the adverse effect of the 14-month on the economy. But after the statement on the economy, I'm sure you will come up with new questions.